Nithya Rachel, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be learning how to make a jumping game in Scratch. So let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we're going to delete this cat sprite over here and choose another sprite. We're going to type here chick, get the chick, and then just put it in the area where you want. Now let's pick a backdrop. That will be, let's say, wall 1. Let's put the duck chick on the sidewalk. And now we're going to do some coding to the chick. So we're going to go to event. When space key is pressed, then we're going to go to control, take the repeat 10 block, go to motion, take the change Y by 10 block. Then we go to control again, take the repeat block, go to motion again, and then take the change Y by 10 block again, but we will write this time minus 10. Now whenever we click the space bar, jumps! Woo! We did our first coding for the chick. Now we'll go to choose another sprite. And now let's type in egg. Let's get the egg and let's make the size 80. Now, whenever it glides to another direction, like for example from here to here, we want to make a jump. The chick has to jump. So what we're gonna do is put the egg over here, and that's the starting point. So our location is 226 and Y is minus 106. So we go to events, get the when flag clicked, go to control, take the forever block, then go to motion, then take the go to x 226 y minus 106. Now we want it to glide about 3 seconds over here. Now this position is minus 231 y minus 105. So we're going to take the glide 1 sec and to x minus 231 y minus 105. Now we want to make it 3 seconds, so it's even better. Now, watch. Now it just glides like that. Now, we want to make like more eggs. So what we're going to do is right click on egg, click duplicate, and now we have another egg. But when we click the green flag, the other egg doesn't show up because the normal egg and egg 2 are into each other. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to egg 2. We're going to go to looks. Then we're going to take the hide block. Then we're going to go to control and take the wait 1 second block. Then we're going to go to looks and then take the show block. Now, when we click it, both of them show up. Now let's make another egg. So what we're going to do is right click on egg 2, click duplicate, and now another egg comes. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in wait 2 seconds this time. So now look. Now 3 eggs come in the same time forever. See? Now what we're going to do is do some coding. Like whenever the chick touches egg 1 or egg 2 like that. So we're going to go to events. We're going to get the when flag clicked. We're going to go to control. We're going to take the forever block and then the if then block. Then we go to sensing, get the touching mouse pointer and say egg. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to control. And then we're going to take the stop all. Now look what's going to happen. It's going to stop. But this time when we go to egg 2, it doesn't stop. Nor egg 3. So what we have to do is we have to do some coding to egg 2. So now we have to go to events, take the when flag clicked, go to control, get the forever block, and then put the if then block inside. Go to sensing, get the touching mouse pointer and set it to chick. And what we're going to do here is take stop all. Now when we're touching egg 2, it stops everything. Now we have to do that to egg 3. So we're going to go to events, when flag clicked, get the forever block, and then the if then block, go to sensing, get the touching mouse pointer to chick. Now we're going to go to control and take the stop all block. Now when we touch egg 3, it stops. Now we want to make a you lose sign. So what we're going to do is choose a backdrop, and let's say blue sky. We're going to go to backdrops, go to change backdrop, like this backdrop option over here. Then we're going to go to the text box and then type in like you lose. Or you could say game over. Now let's make it bigger. Now let's say we'll put the color red. Now this is good. Oops, wait a minute. So we're gonna put it to red there. Now this, it looks good to me. You could put it whatever you want, but I'm gonna put it like this. Now we're gonna go back to code, and now we're gonna go to chick and then go to looks. We're gonna say switch backdrop to blue sky and if touching egg block. Now if we're touching egg 1, it stops. Now we're gonna go to egg 2, switch backdrop to blue sky when touching chick. That will happen now. See? Let's jump over egg 1. See? Well, now let's go to egg 3 and let's switch backdrop to blue sky 2. And that will happen in egg 3. But whenever we click the green flag, it says the you lose sign. We can't be like that. It can't be like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to chick, go to events, get the when flag click button, go to looks, switch backdrop to blue sky, and change it to wall 1. Now when we click it, it goes to wall 1. So now what we're gonna do is whenever it puts the you lose sign, we want everyone to hide. So what we're gonna do is go to chick, go to broadcast message, and click new message. Let's type in hide 1. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to looks and make the chick hide. Now we're gonna go to egg 1, get the when I receive hide 1, then go to looks and then go down to hide. Now the same with all the other characters. So we're gonna go to events, take the when I receive hide button, go to looks, and take the hide block. Now we're gonna go to egg 3. We're gonna take the when I receive hide 1 block. We're gonna go to looks and take the hide. Now, whenever we touch it, watch. When we touch egg 1, it says you lose. But whenever we click the green flag again, they don't show up, except the eggs. So, what we're gonna do, well, not really the eggs, but so what we're gonna do is we are gonna go to when green flag is pressed, we're gonna say show. Do that to everything. So go to events, when green flag is clicked, go and click show. Now the same thing with the other ones. Go to looks, get the show block, and go to the chick, go to events, get the when green flag is clicked, go to looks, get the show block. Now everyone will show. Isn't that amazing? Now what we're gonna do is we want to make a score. So what we're gonna do is go to variables, make a variable into points. Let's name it points. Now we're gonna take the change my variable over here, where the chick is, change it to points by 1. Now when we jump over them all, 1, 2, the points are changing. But when we click the green flag again, it's still showing 3. So what we're going to do is go to events. When green flag is clicked, then we're going to go to looks and click, no, not this one. We're going to go to variables and take set my variable to 0, so there to 1. Points. Now, whenever the green flag is clicked, we want them to show. Yeah, we already did that. That's good. Now, it's going all well. Now all we have to do is add a sound. Like whenever the chick touches the egg, we wanted to make a you lose sound. So what we're gonna do is go to sounds. Then we're gonna choose a new sound. We're gonna type in lose. Take the lose. And then we are gonna go to sound and then start you lose. But we need to see how much seconds it takes. So let's say this is about 4 seconds. So we're gonna go to control, get the wait 4 second block underneath the lose. Wait 4 seconds and now it starts the you lose sound. Now because the eggs are over here, we want them to go back in hiding. So what we're gonna do is basically we are gonna position them up. But first, we forgot one step. Let's go to egg 2, and whenever we touch egg 2, we want everything to hide, make everyone hide again. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go to the events block, get the broadcast hide one, type in hide 2. Now we're gonna go to looks again, get the hide block underneath, and then play the lose sound. We're gonna change it. If the lose sound doesn't come again here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sounds, choose a sound, type in lose, and we get the lose sound. Now we go to code. Now start sound lose underneath, and let's go to control again and say it's 4 seconds. Now wait 4 seconds. So now we did it. Now we're going to go to egg 3 again. Whenever touching chick, we wanted to broadcast another message for everyone to hide. But we forgot in egg 2 it says we broadcasted hide, but everyone needs to hide. So what we're going to do is when I receive hide 1, click in, go to hide 2, and go to looks. And then click go to hide. go to looks and then take the hide block. Then we're going to go to egg. No, it's an egg. But yeah, egg. Then we're gonna go to events and then get the when I receive hide 1, change it to hide 2. Go to looks and then say hide. Then we're gonna go to chick, get the when I receive hide and then go to hide 2 and then go to hide. Now, whenever we touch egg 2, basically, first we have to put them in their starting position. So, first let me put it over there. So the starting position of everything is first we have to put in egg 1. So egg 1 is going to be whenever this flag is pressed, we're going to go to motion and go to the position. Now let's see what happens. Everything is going good. Now we want it to be egg 2 now. So what we're going to do is go here. And the position is 229. So now we're in egg 2. We're going to go to 229. So now let's test it out. Now what we're going to do is go to egg 3. We wanted to make it into a good position. Let's say 230. And then go to 230 minus, like that. Now let's test everything out. It doesn't work properly at the first, but we're doing good. It's coming out good, guys. Now, we are going to go to egg 3. Now, whenever I touch its chick, we want it to make everyone hide and then stop. So, what we're going to do is basically the same thing, guys. So, we're going to say broadcast and then go to new message and hide 3. Then, we're going to go to looks, get the hide block, and then we're going to go to sound. Now let's choose another sound, which is going to be the lose. Get the lose sound, then go to code. And then we're going to go to sound. Start sound lose above the stop all. And then we're going to go to control and type in wait 4 seconds. Now, we want everyone to hide again. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to hide 3 and then we're going to go to look, get the hide block. Now same with egg 1. Do the same with everything. So basically you do the same with everything. So you're going to take the hide block. Now it's the chick's turn, so we're going to go to when flag click, when I receive hide 1, go to hide 3, looks, and hide. Now let's see what happens if we touch egg 3. Well, not egg 1, but egg 3. Oh, there's a... Oh, forgot about that. Egg 3. It's actually egg 1, so let's try again. Oh my god. Okay, egg 3, and we did it! We made our first scratch game, guys! Woo! Now, if you want to save it, save it. Now we want the chick to be in the position whenever the green flag is clicked. So we're going to go to events. We're going to go to when flag clicked, go to motion, get the go to block. And, woo, guys, we did it! Amazing! test it out. Oh no. Now let's zoom in. Now let's test it out, guys. Oh no. So basically, now let's go back. Now because we did it, let's review everything. So whenever touching trick, hide. Now go here, hide. Okay, guys, we actually did it. Okay, so hope you liked this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Thank God I'm not recording this. What in the world?